Welcome to your Daily 5 with myself, Jane Gallina, also known as Airplane Jane. You can reach me on Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, my website, cjanetrade.com. And if you ever have any questions, feel free to email me at jane@cjanetrade.com. Well, this week we have heard a lot about cryptos. That's right, the crypto market is hot, but might be fizzling out. We can see that over the growth of the crypto space from 2017, when the first initial talks of central bank digital currencies existed, we have seen very low valuation of $11.2 billion, our low right here, and then all the way up to $3 trillion. We have what looks like a head and shoulder volume drop that has come out of it, and it looks like we are ready for a bigger move to the downside. Now, not only do I follow crypto, follow the ISO 20022 banking change with certain coins that are due to survive the upcoming crypto crash, but I also follow the dark pools. And what are the dark pools? It's where the really big guys of the market place their trades, hidden trades, until we see the block prints. Now, do you think that we saw them on some crypto names? You bet. So we're going to look first at GBTC, which is a pink sheet Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Recently, we saw one at $12.08. Obviously, you can see we are below that, which indicates to us that the big guys were selling, right? How low can it go? Well, until we see them buying, we're going to be on the short side. So this is our daily chart. We definitely have had a nice little drop. In my opinion, this FTX debacle, one major exchange crumbling. We saw Luna Terra crumble. This is that layman moment of the crypto space, with a bunch of other crypto exchanges likely to feel the effects, and then the really strong ones potentially tied to some of those ISO coins will survive. So let's look at it on the weekly chart. We can see, oh my goodness, we are at quite a point of volume histogram support. However, we've fallen into this. So our next level down, our next level down, wrong slide, let's go back, pardon me, is going to be $7 or even all the way down to roughly $5. So in my opinion, there's still a nice move that is possible. Now, you can translate this over into Bitcoin if you are a crypto trader. If you are interested in trading not the pink sheets, you could look forward with Riot. This is our daily chart on Riot, less than $5. Typically, those penny stocks that are less than $5, the hedge funds, the mutual funds have to liquidate off their books. So while this was hot, they could get into it when it was above $5. Now that we are below $5, watch out for big guys liquidating and potentially a further move down. Look at that. We could see that we could move down to $3 fairly easily when we break below $4.50, and then even potentially down to $1 if we see that continuation move down with the Bitcoin market. Now, many times over this past year, we have seen that the Bitcoin futures have led the S&P 500. With the past week, where we did have a nice sizable bounce in the market and a downward turn, they decoupled. So not looking for that to hold together at this moment. But if we see that Bitcoin futures do fall to the downside and there is not an uptick, there is a symbiotic relationship where Bitcoin and the SPY continue to go down together, where is that cash going? We've seen that the metals have also moved up, but let's concentrate on crypto. So we also have Mara. This is another Bitcoin related potential trade, and this is available on NASDAQ. You can see that we have broken down below. Again, we know we are below that 1208 print on GBTC, still leading us to believe they are going to continue to move it to the downside. So next area to watch, down to $7. And then if we go below $7, I would watch for a $6.50 area, $6, $5.50, and $5 from there. Here's Mara on the weekly chart. You can see we have a nice little area to the downside. Again, that $7 test and then potential move down. Look at how low it was back in 2020 with the crash. It's crazy. All right. Also, if you do like to trade, excuse me, ETFs that are going to be leveraged, you could check out BITI, which is a short Bitcoin strategy ETF. Now, we know that Bitcoin has been sold based on GBTC, the prints there with the big guys. So we could assume that if we break above 45.50, that we are going to see this move to new highs. We did have big volume just a couple of days ago when we had that sell-off with the FTX debacle. And on the weekly chart, you can see we are testing that resistance roughly at 43.25. Above that, there's very little volume above that. So we might see that 43.50 to 45.50 happens fairly quickly. When we look at the Bitcoin chart too, we see that we are at the bottom, right? So as we have that drop, we could see it accelerates. Another one that tends to trade symbiotically with Bitcoin is going to be Ethereum. And we do have the Ethereum Grayscale Trust. And do you think that we had dark pool prints? Yes, we did. Do you think that we are below them? Yes, we are. $7.21 on the 11th of November. So we are just 5 days away from that. That was actually just 3-4 trading days ago. So keeping that in mind, we are below. Do we think that the big guys were likely selling since we are below that? Yes. Once we breach that $7 level, we are going to have a bigger potential move down to $6, $5.50, $5, and potentially down to $3.50. So keep an eye on these. Definitely know that at least in the dark pools, we're seeing the fact that the trades were above us, leading us to believe that they were selling. And until something major happens with us seeing buying prints, that this crypto market space is likely going to continue to the downside. Regulation might be on deck with the SEC, with the XRP lawsuit, with FTX debacle that happened and uncoupled itself. Whew, I'm sorry for those that did lose capital in FTX. With crypto being an unregulated space, unfortunately, holding crypto is a risk, and the worst risk is going down to zero. In my opinion, the best way to protect your coins if you're holding them long term is to put them into a crypto wallet. You can either use a soft or a hard wallet, and you would transfer it, much like sending an email. This is a monetary value email. So you send it from your exchange wallet to your own personal soft or hard wallet, and then it's like a safe in your house. You are in control of it. If that crypto exchange goes belly up, you still have the value in your crypto wallet. I hope that's helped you for today. And if you'd like to join me every trading morning, I am live on YouTube at 8:15 a.m. Eastern, building my day trading watch list. That's your Daily 5 for today. Have an amazing day. Carpe Profit with Gallina.
Hey guys, Dave Keller here with StockCharts.com. Thanks so much for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, and we hope you did, hit the like button right below. Also, we have so much new content every day. Consider subscribing to the channel. Just hit the subscribe button in the video or right below. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Have a fantastic day.